from Ether. Welcome to Jiangyin M&C Parts Company.
Our company's main products include plate heat exchanger, plate, gaskets, and other spare parts. We can provide more than 600 models. Now we can see here is our gasket workshop. We have 11 curing machines, daily production capacity around 2,000 to 3,000 pieces. This is plate workshop. We have 6 press machines. These machines can match most of plate size production.
On my left side is our cutting plate workshop.
Let's take a closer look at these finished products.
And this one is our punching machine. And here is our laser hole cutting machine.
Next, we are going to see the embossed stainless steel plate process.
Here is our frame workshop. Our frames can be customized in size to fit different requirements. One-stop cutting and spray painting to meet the requirements of different working conditions. These are our complete plate heat exchanger units.
This is the process of testing.
And now we are in the gasket warehouse.
We usually have all the common models of gaskets and plates for common material in our store.
Workers are testing the quality of gaskets. And here is our plate mold warehouse. The workers are testing molds.
All goods has been tested, are encapsulated and preserved to keep the goods in the best condition.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.